So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can go from this to this. If you'd like to see how I revamp this wig, then keep on watching. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can reconstruct a whole new wig using your old bundles, an old closure or an old frontal that you may have at home. I was able to achieve this lovely bob using old extensions. For this tutorial, you'll need an old closure or a frontal or whatever you have at home lying around. I just found this in my stash of hair. You're going to need a mannequin head, thread and needle. You're also going to need a lighter thread. This is going to be for the lace, scissors, clips and pins. So we're going to start off by cutting off this excess lace that is found on your closure. So as you can see, I'm just cutting off that extra piece of lace on both sides. It should look like this. I'm also going to cut through this lace. This is going to be so I can add to the sides of the closure that I've just cut, as you saw. Once that's ready, I'm just going to begin to pin down the closure onto my mannequin head. I'm going to position it into place and I'm going to bring it a bit forward. So I'm using my pins and just pinning it into position. This is going to just help me when I want to thread it down. Really take time to position the lace onto the mannequin head, because if you don't, this is where it could go wrong. You just want to take your time, reposition it if you have to, align it together and do the same on both sides. So now it should look a little bit like this. So as you can see in this close-up, there's a gap between both of the lace sections. Using the brown thread, we're going to begin to sew those two pieces together. Make sure that when you thread these pieces together that you don't pull on the lace too hard, because you can rip the lace and we don't want that. So just go very, very slowly, take your time, sew the pieces together. So by now it should be looking like this. Both sides have been sewn together, giving you that mini frontal look. I'm going to sew the rest of the lace down and continue on making my wig. Now I'm just showing you guys how it should look by now. You can see that there's a lot more space to work with. It's giving you that frontal looking hairline, and I'm also going to pluck it. I did make the wig off camera. If you'd like to see a wig tutorial, a detailed wig tutorial, then please do comment down below. That would be great. But I did make the wig off camera just to save time because it would have been a very long tutorial. Now I'm just going to cut off the hair that I don't need because I do want this to be a short bob. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it already because I'm going to also dye it. I just used this black hair dye that I found at home. The hair was already dark, but I just wanted to get rid of some of the highlights that I did have on this hair because these are old bundles of mine that were just at home. So I just wanted it all to be dark. So that's why I did use the black hair dye. And I'm just adding it to the rest of the hair using my hands because honestly I could not be bothered using that comb. And I just think it just got the job done quicker, but you do need to be careful not to get it on the lace. So this is the final result. This is what I was able to achieve. I really enjoyed filming this video and created this amazing look. It's giving me 90s vibes and I absolutely love it. I styled it by bumping the ends and I laid it down today using Got To Be gel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel to keep updated with my next post and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.